Hey guys, we have a couple sets of wheels in here. We're going to show you something that we like to do to make them better for the client. So before we install these onto the vehicle, we like to give them a full clean off of the vehicle because it's much easier to work with. And then we're going to go ahead and ceramic coat it afterwards. This wheel isn't horrible, but it is a little bit more complex. It does have fake bead lock on it, and you can see there's a crevice deep in here. So we have to make sure that we get into all the nooks and crannies before we ceramic coat it. All right, so we clean the back. Back's pretty easy because there's less of a design, but we think ceramic coating, we're applying the ceramic coat right now. This is the most important part because this is the part of the wheel that doesn't get washed that often. It doesn't get washed properly unless you pull off the wheel, because you can see the openings here, it's really hard to fit a hand in here. So we know like this is probably going to get neglected. And this is where all the brake dust is and everything builds up. So the main point of ceramic coating is it makes washing easier because things don't stick to it as easily. So all that brake dust in there, you should still wash on a regular basis, but it's going to be much easier for you to clean over time. So yeah guys, whenever you get a new set of wheels and tires, get the wheels ceramic coated.
In the car with my day ones, they're my dogs, yeah, they're my best friends, they're my brothers, yeah, my family.